Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7, and we're going to be helping you understand sales and marketing in a very simple way. All your videos, all your posts are all pushed to a system or website which does and should do most of the selling and telling for you guys. Your product is what's hosted within this system. Whether it's a digital product or service, your product is key. This should be in high demand. This should be something you're passionate about, and this should solve all the problems your ideal customer has. So you take that product, you use your social media and your videos are going to get you all the engagement, and it's going to go through this system. And the key to this to really work is knowing your ideal customer, knowing their pain points and their problems. The worst thing you can do is post content that does neither of this. It doesn't resonate with your ideal audience because you're just throwing noodles at the wall, hoping for them to stick. This is what I did for many videos, hundreds of videos. And I didn't understand why I wasn't getting sales, why nothing was happening in my business, even though I was consistent. It's because I didn't know this. And this is what I learned in the step-by-step blueprint that you're going to learn after this video. So once people go through your system, they're going to fill out their name or just their email. This is where the real money is made, in the email follow-up. You're going to send more emails once a day, twice a day. It's going to reintroduce this information. Most people aren't going to purchase right away. Most people need about 7 exposures. They need to keep opening up your videos in order for them to say, you know what, I think this is something for me right now. Because every day someone opens your email, they're going through different scenarios. They might have just had something to do real quick and forgot. It might have not been the right situation for them. Maybe they didn't have the money. But now all the pieces align and they're ready to take action as long as you keep nurturing your leads. And that's the simple explanation of marketing and sales in the online business space. Now, setting this up isn't as hard as you think, especially with the step-by-step blueprint that I'm going to be showing you guys. It shows you exactly how to set all this up, how to get those emails to the inbox, and even how to make content on a daily basis. And I'm actually going to throw in my free short-form video training on how to make content on a daily basis. And it's very simple. It's so simple. You could potentially make your first sale this week if you take it serious. I don't know what you're going through, but I know it's the holidays. I know people need more money. I know there's people in business and they're still lost and they just need to figure out, how do I implement this? How do I connect all of the dots? And that's what we're going to help you do. That's what I'm going to help you do, because I've been in that place where you got all the tools, but you don't know how to use them. So I'm going to be showing them. We're going to be showing you. The community has so many members that can answer any of your questions. We do live tech calls, we do live mentor calls, and we even have webinars that you can invite your prospects to if you just can't explain this amazing opportunity, guys. And this is how you're going to be getting paid daily, putting food on the table, and enjoying your holidays in your 2025, guys. So if you're watching this on Facebook, just comment "I'm ready" in the comment section. I'll send you some information. If you're watching this on YouTube, everything will be in the description.